In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save a high resolution picture from Gemini. Okay, most cases after creating your image in Gemini, some people actually just right click on this image, then they click on save image as. Let's save this one as 001. Okay, in this folder. But the right way of downloading an image from Gemini is you click on this icon, download full size. So let me download by clicking on download full size so that we can see the difference. Okay, now this will automatically be downloaded. I can easily find it here. So there's this and that. Okay, so let me first click on this one. Now this one opens like this. Okay, now when you open in like here, you may not know which one is better, but actually when you're going to use them maybe in print work or on a website, that's where actually sign will show. Like the other one is not actually high resolution. So when you open also the other one, which I did in a wrong way, it slightly looks, actually almost looks the same, but guess what? If you try to look at this one, let me try to open this one, which was downloaded in the right way. It shows it's 1.1 MBs. It is 1024 by 1024. So it's kind of a wide picture, which you can use for like different kind of work, okay? But when you look at this one, which was downloaded in the wrong way, it is not even half a one, it's actually 115 KB. The sizes are the same, 1024 by 1024, but actually the resolution is not the same. This is like 105 KB, the other one is 1 MB. The heavier the picture is, most cases the better the picture is. So downloading the image by just clicking on save as, you're not really getting the full resolution of that image. Okay, it's better if actually you download by clicking download full size icon. You don't just you don't just right click on an image and save it. So that is the right way of downloading images from Gemini. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you're interested in videos about AI and other stuff. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye.